In this video, we are going to see how we can change the Roblox password on Android or iPhone application. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. All you have to do is just click on the bottom left-hand corner and click on the more icon. And from here, we choose the settings. So if we scroll down, you will see the settings option right over here. We click on that and we go to the accounts info. Now once we are in the accounts info, we will scroll down a little bit and you might have entered a password or the passkey. So in this case it's a passkey, but you will see the password option right here as well. So we click on manage or this edit option, click on that and you click on add a passkey, or in your case you click on change the password. It will identify with the two-step verification. You will provide the screen lock and you can either choose a password with the Google Password Manager or otherwise mention it by yourself, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.